Here we are again with the Brock's Boys. And January, short par 4 box. I emailed them, said short par 4. I said I'm a little disappointed. I'm not getting no ball markers for the last 4 months. They said, okay, we'll take care of you. So I already opened this box. There's no ball markers. Hopefully next month they'll take care of me. Okay. See what we got. Short par 4 is a monthly subscription box of golf apparel, so you don't have to go out shopping. So it comes right to your house. $45. They'll send you a little code. You'll get it half off once you get enough people who use your code. Then it only costs you $22.50. Okay. Not sure if I like the white, but it's a nice little jacket. And Puma polo. Okay. So like I said, you use the code below. If this is your first time using it, you'll get $20 off your first box. Then they'll send you a code. Then you can start getting your own, start saving money. It's about a lot better than going shopping at some golf place. And it comes right to your doorstep. So short par 4 and Puma are hooking up. And yeah, it looks pretty good. That's about it. Brock's Boys out.